Okay, now in this subject, what we're going to do is we're going to add the email, this email to your mailing boss. So we're going to copy this email that we've made and we will go to mailing boss and then we will click here and then we will go to domains. And because this domain is verified here, it says yes, so we are good to add this, the email for this particular domain. So we will go to sender emails and then I'm going to click create new and then I'm going to say sender email, right? And sender name, I'll say happy health star, right?
Yes, start now.
Star, happy health star, team at happy health star, click save changes. And as soon as I click save changes, it will say your form has been successfully saved. We sent a validation link to the sender's emails. Please click on that link to validate your sender. Okay. Now, right now, there's an error that says the campaign email to won't be sent because the from email is not a validated sender, right? And this says the verified as no, right? So we will go to your webmail. Let's go to your cPanel here, okay? And simply click here and let's go to access webmail. And you see sending mailing box sender validation. You're going to click this email.
Complete.
Right. And congratulations, your sender validation is now complete. And now if I go to mailing boss, right, and if I click refresh, see this team at happyhealthstar.com is verified, right? Now, if I just check off this box, now finally your email is verified and you're good to send emails from the Happy Health Star domain, okay? So congratulations on this part. We